I've been working 7 days straight and counting. And honestly, my mindset has just been focused on just earning the money. When you're working, especially at a 9 to 5 job, whether it's your career, whether it's your business, well, let me not say your business, but most of the time when you're working, right, we don't want to work. We don't want to have to work unless you love your job. So this is more based towards the mindset that you need or you should focus on changing or altering. Unless you got something better, let me know. But focusing on how you push through and you just continue to work, knowing your whys, what you're doing it for, that's key. I didn't even plan on telling you that one, but know why you're doing it and just know that you need the money. Obviously, we need to earn the money, so just continue to work, right? No days off. Our days off is when that 8-hour shift is over with. If you work extended hours past 8, then I try to give you something as far as that's your day off. But push through, let's keep working. I'm doing 7 days straight currently. If you have a family like myself, you have to find ways to still bond with them, still spend time with them. I get it. If you're anything like me, you work, you have other stuff going on as well. You're learning, you're studying, you're trying to create and build businesses. So all those things take time, but do not put your family on the back burner. God, family, work, business. I'm jumping ahead, but don't allow everything to get you distracted and you're not spending time with the loved ones and people that you care about. Figure out a way to make that time, even though we're working 7 days a week. You might feel tired. You might get tired. You might actually be tired physically, right? Make sure you pace yourself. You can have a lot of stuff going on, like I just essentially said a couple seconds ago, because I'm doing all those things, working, studying, and trying to build multiple businesses and create them and be profitable. So you may get tired, but push through it. It is possible. Ask God for more strength. Push through in the mornings when you're tired and you don't want to get up. Your eyes feel real heavy. I always say my eyes feel like they're bleeding, like I'm waking up, sometimes against my will. I don't want to. The light just feels like horrible to me. But you have to push through. Get up, pray. Ask God for strength. Ask God to get you through the day, each and every day. I know it can get tough, but we can get through it. Another key is getting your mindset focused on who you're working for. That's something that I go back and forth on, and I get caught up sometimes with the people at the job instead of focusing on God, praying to God when things are going sideways or not what you want or not what you expected or whatever you want to say, right? It's not going your way, especially when it comes to work. Just pray to God and know that your work, especially if you don't see eye to eye with your supervisor or your boss or whoever is above you, so to speak, just know that you're not working for them. You're not even working really for that company. This work, you're working for God. Let's keep our mindset focused on the big picture. We're working and doing this job for God. We're blessed to have a job, to be able to earn money, and we're able to do all that, all glory and thanks to God. So stay focused on Him. Don't get petty like I do sometimes, and don't work as hard to try to just, to play those petty games. Let's do our work unto God. I'll be able to use this money that I'm earning to better my situation, and I'm sure you can too. And a big part of me saying this is, let's make sure that we take that money and we put it towards our goals. We invest it back into ourselves, into the church, into our families, because there's a reason why we're working like we're working. So let's make sure that we remind ourselves while we're doing it, and it goes back to our why. We're doing it for whatever your situation is to better it. I'm sure you're just not working just to take the paycheck and throw it out the window, right? We're doing it for a reason. So remind yourself of your why, your situation, and how earning this money will help you get there. And hopefully that'll help push you through. And before you know it, you're halfway through your shift. You're doing it. Then it's over with. And you know, you did that. Me working 7 days again, it is helping me get back into that full grind mode that I need to be getting it each and every way. It's focused on grinding and what I need to do, and also kind of giving me that light at the end of the tunnel, right? Me earning the money, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have some money to be able to invest in myself, to be able to get some of the things that, some of the equipment that my businesses need for startup, right? It's just no longer becoming a dream for me, but it can become a reality because I'm putting in the action, I'm putting in the work to earn the money, to push the needle in the right direction for me. No, I don't know if it's gonna work out or not. I just know I have faith and believe in God, and I'm gonna continue to do my best and move forward any way that I know that I can. The big elephant in the room, obviously, I'm working 7 days a week, working as much as I can because I need money. I don't know if you need money, but I need money. How many days will I be able to work straight? That's a question that I asked myself, especially when I decided that I'm gonna do this video and share this video with you. I'm like, how many days straight will I be able to work? But keeping that balance is key. Like I said, the balance of God, family, work, and business. It is so key and paramount for me. But how many days straight will I be able to work if it's offered, right? If my job just says, oh, you can work, 7 days for until, like, obviously we got holidays coming up, but after these holidays, I'm curious if they just offer 7 days, how many times or how many days straight will I be able to work? I started the video off with I'm not gonna lie, and I was gonna say it again, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't know. I'm trying to not say that. It's just one of my things. I just like challenges, so I'm challenging myself, and I coined that as one of the fluffer filler words. But all that to say this, when Mondays come around, right? I just worked yesterday. Now it's Monday. That reality that it is a brand new work week, and you got to push through at least Monday through Friday because that's what you signed up for, unless you use some of your PTO or sick time or vacation time. But point is, you got to push through that week. If you're like me and you don't have any time to take off, you got to work at least 5 more days straight to that 7. So push through it, get your mindset together, get it right, because that's the reality of it. The week resets and you got to do it again. Be able to push through, know why you're doing it, keep a strong, healthy balance. Know that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Know that I appreciate and love you, and I'm definitely gonna see you in the next video.